Good day everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to focus on simple equations, but we're going to use a balanced method. Now for the first one, I have 2x plus 7 is equals to 5. All I need to do now, I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. So 2x plus 7 minus 7 equals to 5 minus 7. So this will give me 2x, 7 minus 7 is already off, so it's 0. This will give me 5 minus 7 gives me minus 2. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So 2x divided by 2 is equals to minus 2 divided by 2. So x is equals to minus 1. For the second one we have y minus 6 is equals to 6. So in this case this is minus 6, so I'm going to add 6 to both sides. So we have y minus 6 plus 6 equals to 6 plus 6. So y minus 6 plus 6 is 0. So y is equals to 6 plus 6 is equals to 12. Hope you learned a lot. Bye.